Good morning. I'm Dr. Deukmedjian. I'm here with one of my patients from St. Louis. And she was here a few months ago. We had back surgery done, and she immediately noticed relief in those areas that we operated on. But she called me and said, I'm getting pain near my tailbone. And we did not treat that area. It's called the sacroiliac joint. And a lot of patients get back pain coming from the sacroiliac joint. What causes the sacroiliac joint to hurt is arthritis, basically inflammation coming from the sacroiliac joint. Now, this occurs when people injure their sacroiliac joints through trauma, and the joint then, once it's traumatized, develops arthritis over years, and it becomes very painful in some patients. In her case, that's what was acting up, was the SI joint. So yesterday we went in and we did the Deuk Plasma Rhizotomy, which is our version of a permanent rhizotomy to get rid of joint pain from a painful joint. In her case, the SI joint. Now, how do you feel today?
Excellent. As a matter of fact, I told the folks that met me in the exam room that I actually skipped from the lobby into my exam room at 67 and a half years old. So I'm
Wow.
great.
You don't look 67 and a half years old. You look phenomenal. You look like you're in your 50s. So basically you're saying that your pain is gone in the SI joint.
It is gone.
And that's because we destroyed the 5 pain nerves to the joint using our Deuk Plasma wand. So you should get a lifetime of pain relief.
It'll be life-changing for sure. Yeah.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Anything you want to say to your viewers and fans out there?
Oh gosh, I highly recommend sending Dr. Deuk if you have any sort of back pain at all. It's really hard to know exactly where it's coming from until you get an MRI. Our wonderful doctor here does look at them free of charge to give you a diagnosis. And if you're out of town like I am, he'll give you a Zoom meeting so that you can meet him online, set up to see what's going on, and come right in here. He's so experienced. His success rate is just phenomenal. It's life-changing. There's no reason to go around in pain when you've got his expertise and years behind him to evaluate, treat, and get you on a better, healthier, and a happier life.
Congratulations. Go back home and enjoy life.
Thank you again.
It's my pleasure. My pleasure.